Hello. Welcome to Easy English Journey. Today, I will tell you a simple story. This story is about my first day at a new job. Please relax and listen carefully. Today is a very important day for me. It's my first day at a new job. I wake up early in the morning. The sun is not very bright yet. My room is quiet. I lie in bed for a moment. I feel excited. I also feel a little nervous. I take a deep breath. I say to myself, everything will be okay. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I look in the mirror. I smile a little. Good luck, I say to myself. I take a shower. The warm water feels nice. It helps me relax. After that, I get dressed. I wear clean clothes. I want to look neat and professional. I check my bag. My phone is inside. My wallet is inside. My notebook is inside. Everything is ready. I go to the kitchen. I make a simple breakfast. I eat some bread. I drink a cup of tea. While eating, I think about my new job. I wonder what my coworkers will be like. I wonder what my manager will say. I feel my heart beat a little faster. I look at the clock. It's time to leave. I put on my shoes. I lock the door. I step outside. The air feels fresh. The street is not very busy yet. I walk to the bus stop. A few people are already there. Everyone looks quiet and sleepy. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. The bus is a little crowded. I find a place to stand. I hold my bag close. I look out the window. I see shops and houses pass by. I think about my first day again. After some time, the bus stops. This is my stop. I get off the bus. I see the office building in front of me. It is big and tall. I stop for a second. I take a deep breath. Let's do this, I say quietly. I walk into the building. It is clean and bright. There is a front desk. A lady is sitting there. She looks at me and smiles. She says, "Good morning." I smile back and say, "Good morning." My voice is a little soft, but I feel okay. She asks my name. I tell her my name. She calls my manager. "Please wait here," she says. I stand there and wait. I look around. Everything looks new and modern. Soon my manager comes. He smiles and shakes my hand. He says, "Welcome. We are happy to have you." I feel relieved. He shows me around the office. He shows me the meeting room. He shows me the kitchen. He shows me the work area. Then he shows me my desk. "This is your desk," he says. "There's a computer. There's a chair. There's a small plant. Everything looks nice." I sit down slowly. This is real, I think. My manager introduces me to my coworkers. "This is our new team member," he says. They smile and say hello. "Nice to meet you." "Welcome. Good to have you here." I smile and say hello back. They seem friendly. In the morning, I learn about my work. My manager explains things slowly. I listen carefully. I take notes in my notebook. Sometimes I do not understand everything, but that's okay. I ask questions. They help me. At lunchtime, my coworkers invite me to eat with them. We go to a small cafe nearby. I feel happy. I am not alone. We talk about simple things. We talk about food. We talk about the weather. I start to feel comfortable. After lunch, we go back to the office. In the afternoon, I try some simple tasks. I work slowly and carefully. I make a small mistake. I feel embarrassed, but my coworker says, "Don't worry, it's okay." I feel better. Time passes quickly. Before I know it, the workday is almost over. My manager comes to my desk. "You did well today," he says. I smile. I feel proud. It is time to go home. I pack my bag. I say goodbye to my coworkers. "See you tomorrow," they say. "See you," I reply. I leave the building. The sky looks different now. The day feels calm. I walk back to the bus stop. On the bus, I think about my day. I feel tired, but I feel happy. When I reach home, I take off my shoes. I sit down and relax. My first day at a new job is over. It was not perfect, but it was a good start. I smile to myself. Tomorrow is another day. Thank you for listening. This is the end of today's story. See you next time on Easy English Journey.